Jasper Quartz, guided meditation for grounding and vitality. Welcome to this guided meditation, focusing on the grounding and revitalizing energies of red quartz. Find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed, and take a moment to settle in. Begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhale, releasing all the tension in your body. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, let your mind become aware of the present moment. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and grounded. Visualize yourself sitting in a serene forest, the earth beneath you rich and supportive. In your hands, you hold a vibrant Jasper quartz crystal, warm and smooth. As you hold this beautiful stone, feel its weight grounding you, connecting you deeply to the earth. Now, focus on the red quartz in your hands. Visualize its deep red color, glowing softly in the light. This stone is a powerful symbol of strength, vitality, and stability. As you hold it, imagine its energies flowing into your body, grounding you to the core of the earth. As you hold it, imagine its energies flowing into your body, grounding you to the core of the earth. Feel the energy of the red quartz travel up through your body, starting from the base of your spine at your root chakra. This chakra is your foundation, the seat of your physical and emotional stability. As the red energy activates this chakra, feel a sense of security and balance wash over you. With each breath, this vibrant red energy fills you, strengthening your body and calming your mind. It rejuvenates your spirit, giving you the energy and determination to face your challenges. Continue to breathe deeply, and with each exhale, imagine any anxiety, fear, or negativity releasing from your body and being absorbed by the Jasper quartz. The stone transforms these energies into positive vibrations, returning them to you as renewed vitality and creativity. As you sit with these transformations, let the red quartz inspire new ideas and new beginnings. Feel empowered to pursue your goals and express your creativity. The stone's grounding energy keeps you focused and driven, tethered to your life's purpose. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling refreshed and revitalized. When you feel ready, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently moving your body as you return from your meditation. Open your eyes, returning to the room with a sense of peace and strength. Carry this energy with you throughout your day, feeling grounded and aligned. Thank you for joining this Jasper Quartz meditation. Remember that you can return to this space anytime you need grounding or a burst of energy.